Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwenu, oe. Abia kwenu, oe. Anambra kwenu, oe. Ebonyi kwenu, oe. Enugu kwenu, oe. Imo kwenu, oe. Nigeria kwezuono. Hello, friends, families, and loved ones. I welcome you all once again to my Igbo segment. This is your host, your regular host, Mr. Omazi B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and the teacher of Igbo language, culture, and traditions, including general issues that affect the Igbo, the non-Igbo, and the general public. Today, we are going to talk about one subject that is very, very important. It's vital. That subject is recognized in all Igbo land. The whole of Igbo land respects or holds that particular topic in esteem. That topic is called ICHI OZO. ICHI OZO. The English translation of ICHI OZO is bestowing a man Ozo title. Bestowing Ozo title on a man, or enthroning a man as Ozo. Okay, Ozo is a very important title in Igbo land. In fact, it's the most important title in Igbo land. It's the biggest so far. Yes, a lot of people would not understand this, especially those who do not know much about Igbo. A core Igbo man or a core Igbo native will tell you that Ozo title is the biggest of all titles bestowed on men in Igbo land. We have what they call Eze or Igwe, which means king in English. Eze means king. Igwe means king. You know, the Igwe is a name that has been adopted by people from Anambra State, a state in the southeast, sorry. You know, they call Eze as king. They call or refer to him as Igwe. So in any part of Igbo land you go to and you hear people say Igwe, and you go to another part you hear people say Eze, both of them mean the same thing. Both of them mean king. Please bear that in mind. Remember I told you in Igbo land we have different names for a particular thing. This particular clan might call it this particular community might call it this particular hamlet might call it this. But at the end of the day, when you gather all those dialects, all those Igbo dialects, they still mean the same thing. Okay, all right. Now, I said we're going to talk about the ICHI OZO, and I told you that ICHI OZO or Ozo title is the biggest title in Igbo land. Now, let me tell you why Ozo title is the biggest title in Igbo land. Before someone becomes king, before a man is crowned king, he has to be an Ozo title holder. He must hold the Ozo title. If a man is not, if a man is not an Ozo title holder, he cannot be crowned king in Igbo land. He cannot be crowned Eze or Igwe. That is just the gospel truth. Anybody that tells you that someone can just get up one day and be crowned Eze, Igwe, that is king, without being crowned or without being, given the title of Ozo, is deceiving you. A true Igbo man knows this. So, and what is this Ozo title? This Ozo title is not given to kids. It's not given to immature men. You know, before someone comes up for an Ozo title, remember, Ozo title is bestowed only on men. Bestowed only on men. Women don't take Ozo title in Igbo land. So before someone becomes an Ozo, the person's credibility has to be put to the test. Yes, anybody can come and say they are good people, they don't cheat, they don't steal, they don't condemn people who are right, they don't stand against the truth. Yes, but wherever you live as a man, people there should be able to know you. So it's people there that will be called behind your back and asked questions. There's no way everybody in that particular community where you live, hates you. It hates you. Not everybody there will not hate you. Everybody there will not be your enemy. There are people who will tell the truth about you. 3/4 of the people there will tell the truth about you, the truth of who you are, the truth of what you are. So the issue of saying they hate me, that's why they say this. No. People who are there for you are there for you. So these people will be called behind your back in your absence and asked about you. They will tell the people or the council who would want to bestow the title, the Ozo title to you. They will be, the council or the team will find out who you really are. Then if you're a credible person, if you're someone who tells the truth, if you're someone who does not condemn who is truthful or who does not take sides with a truthful person, if you're someone who takes sides with evil, there are so many things they want to know about you, after which they will go ahead to bestow that title on you or not to bestow the title on you, the Ozo title, remember. So if it's verified behind your back that you're actually a good man, you're a man of credibility, a man who stands by his words, a man who does not cheat, a man who does not steal, a man who does not suppress the weak, the widow, people who cannot speak for themselves. If or after the verifications, it's confirmed that you are, a man that has sound, character, then you will be marked for that title. So the title is not a small thing, it's a very big title. People from all walks of life, you invite those who are friends and business partners who will be there to witness the momentous occasion. So then all the requirements, there are some esoteric things that need to be done before you are crowned or given the Ozo title in public. You have to do all those things behind the public, or rather say behind a camera. So once you've done all those things, then you are qualified now. They will tell you things you have to bring. Once you've done them, you're qualified. Then in the public eye, you have to kind of prepare. It's not something that a poor man does. It has to be a man of means. You have to be a man of means, so someone who is rich. Your opulence will be able to take care of the expenses you're going to incur during the Ozo title. So you kill cows, you buy a lot of food items, soups will be cooked, rice, so many things. Meat will be, in assortment. So all these things will be very, very available for the consumption, by the public. So that day, your friends, loved ones will come from all walks of life to witness the occasion. Then dance and all that will follow. Then remember, you have to be a man of integrity before you're crowned Ozo. If you're not a man of integrity, nobody will recognize you. And remember, if you say people hate you, that's why they say you're not bad. That's not true. There's no way everybody in the community will hate you. Okay? So if they're able to gather 90% of people's opinion on your own side, people who are for you, okay, then you are qualified. And besides, before you come for Ozo title, you must have done one notable thing for your community, at least one thing. Probably you built a bridge, you tarred the road, you built schools, you kind of did one thing, one sound thing or the other for the community, for them to recognize you that, yes, this is our man, this is our son. And most of all, you have to be a freeborn. Remember the other time I told you about, the difference between you are, this one is a freeborn, this one is not a freeborn, as people in Igbo land hold it. So you have to be a freeborn. You won't be an Osu, that is an outcast, before you cannot be an Osu and come out for an Ozo title. You have to be freeborn. So all verifications will be met before the Ozo title will be bestowed upon you. So there will be a lot of merriments. But before merriments will start, there are people who will, be there. Your fellow Ozo title holders will be there. The head will be there the day you'll be crowned. So they all will have to take kola nuts each. Each of them, all those Ozo title holders will take kola nuts. Then each of them will take a live chicken, cock. Then after that, then some other things will be done. Then the title will be bestowed on you, after which there will be merriment, food, drinks will be in assortment. Everybody will eat to their fill. That's the Ozo title for you. Then after that, if you really are supposed to be crowned king, then you come up with a issue you'll be listened to. All right, Ozo title is for people who are qualified for it. All right, bye-bye.